My name is Ricardo. I've been here for about 10 years now. I'm a Tier 1 technician. When I'm in the office, I'm usually answering phones for service over the phone. That's mainly what I do when I'm in town. And when I'm in the road, I'm out there putting equipment together, troubleshooting, repairing. My dad and I used to do granite countertops, and we were doing Jose Pereira's house. And he's the one who asked me if I was interested in a job. When he mentioned what this job was about, and as far as traveling and the things I would be doing, I took the job, and 10 years later, here I am. I get here about 7 a.m. and as soon as the phone rings and there's a call, got to be available to take it. I would probably say I take anywhere from 20 to 30 calls on average. There's times where it's more than 30, and there's times where it's just a few calls a day. Yeah, I mainly take service calls, but there is a handful of parts calls in there too. And most service calls end up turning into parts calls. The group of people that you're surrounded by, you have all the help you need. When I can't figure stuff out, there's always others I can rely on. I think what separates Sierra from the rest of them is the attention to detail. When it comes to customer service, we try going above and beyond to take care of that customer, whether it's shipping parts, flying or driving to go see them the next day, or sometimes even the same day if they're not too far away. But we try our best to get the customer up and running. That's the #1 goal here at Sierra.